Hey Emily, this is a quick demo video for you for your Graflex. Got it all done today. I will be shipping this out to you in the mail. I'll print out a shipping label tomorrow afternoon. It will probably go out in the mail first thing Wednesday morning. Just want to run it through some last minute tests before I send it out. But this is your ESP configuration. This is a one button setup. So everything is controlled by this top button right here. Your glass eye is going to act as your blade retention screw. You are set up with NeoPixels. So to open this up, we'll just open this clamp right here, like that. We'll unscrew the pommel. Just like that. Here's your chassis. It's your CFX board on top. You do have access to your memory card for adding fonts or whatever you want to do, updating the firmware when it does update. 28mm premium speaker, and then you have a removable battery system. This is actually the first hilt that I moved over to a different kind of battery terminal where I'm using the spring system for the negative side. But then you also have, I printed in there a positive and a negative for battery orientation. So your battery orientation is very important. If you put the battery in backwards, you'll fry the board. So I'll be sending this battery with you at your positive side, negative. Just slap it in just like this.
Go and pray that I find your master before he finds you.
Slap your pommel back on. I've got your blade here that you ordered as well. That's all done. So when you're screwing this on, when you get down to the end, if you feel it tighten up, if one of these grips is in your way from putting this clamp back, you can just back it off a hair, and then when you put this clamp down, that pommel's not going anywhere. Okay? So we'll do a smooth swing and test that with the blade off so I don't hit anything. Turn it on. Smooth swing. Turn it off. Unscrew that for your blade retention. Just get it out of the blade holder, out of the channel there. I do have a 7/8 inch NeoPixel blade for you, standard 36 inches long. I do 3D print this part, so this part is black, unlike the clear ones that you can buy somewhere. I like to make the parts if I can. So we'll just slide it in here. It slides right in. You don't have to force it in. It'll slide right down until you feel it bottom out, and then tighten down the blade. And then I'm going to turn this light off. Turn it on. Tap it for blaster deflex. You can tap it slow or fast. When you hold down the button and hit the blade, if you keep the button held down, you get blade lockup. If you hold down the button and then hit the tip of the blade on the ground while you're holding it, you get tip drag. To change colors while the blade is on, hold down the button and twist your wrist like this.
Spectrum.
You'll hear spectrum, and now you can just twist the hilt to get different colors. I think there's about 16 of them on here. We'll go with the blue. When you find one you like, just tap the button. You got flash on flash. You've got 31 different blade profiles on here. So to get to different blade effects, hold the button and twist your wrist like you did for color, but keep the button held down until you hear this.
Spectrum.
Keep holding it down.
Blade profile.
Now let go. Now again, you can twist your wrist to get different blade effects. We'll cycle through a couple of these. Like I said, you got about 31 on here you can choose from. Couple more. When you find one yet you like, just tap the button. There you go. As long as the battery stays in and you turn the blade off, it will remember what color and what blade effect you picked for that particular sound font when you turn it back on. Hold it to turn it off. And then I put the sound fonts on here that you wanted, that you gave me to download. So when the blade is off, hold down the button until you hear this.
Sound bank selection.
Now you can cycle through with this button just by pressing it.
Well, you look like a small rebel.
I'm never touching that thing again.
General Mundy, formerly Darth. I claim this. He's been working on that thing. The Force will be with you. Always.
When you find one you like, just hold the button down.
With the blast shield down, I can't even see. How am I supposed to fight?
A lot of the fonts you have me put on here have music.
Here they may have learned who they sold them to, and that would lead them back home.
So when the blade is off, double tap the button. This particular one is Luke practicing. We can go to a different one. To turn it off, just double tap. We'll go to a different sound font that has music.
Sound bank selection.
Legacy. What is thy bidding? Rise, my apprentice.
And double tap the button again. This one doesn't have music. We'll get to one.
Sound bank selection.
What is I have glimpsed a town?
Don't insult me.
Jedi, prepare.
Audio player.
SD system menu. Exit menu.
Stand calm. The Force is with you, young. There is a great disturbance in the Force.
Now double tap. When the music is playing, you can do anything that you want. Have it on, change color. Blaster deflex. Blade lock up. Turn off. And then to turn it off, just double tap again. And that is your hilt and your blade. Hope everything looks good. I'll get this uploaded and send it to you and have this out to you Wednesday morning. Thank you.